What's up guys, Jeremy here and welcome back to another home tour video. I know it's been a while since we did one of these videos. I apologize, we've been super busy. But behind me right now is 1974 Haleakala Drive. This home is absolutely breathtaking. It's amazing. I love it. It has a nice pool and we're gonna go check it out today. But first, before we go in, if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate that. So first things first, if you guys notice, behind me there's a huge driveway, all right? There's a 2-car garage enclosed, and you could probably fit like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 cars here. And if you park on the grass, you could probably fit another 2 or 3. So from the bat, right when you walk in, you have a lot of real estate just for your cars and for your guests. If you come here and follow me, if you see a lot of these homes on this road, a lot of them have the carport right at the street. So not a lot of these properties on this road have the big driveway that this home has. Let's check it out. Also for your privacy, you've got this security gate that's motorized, which is really nice. Before we tour the home, this home, 1974 Haleakala Drive, is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a 2,000 square foot interior home sitting on a 7,500 lot, and it's listed for $2.895 million. Let's check it out. So when you're at $2.895 million, you definitely want to have privacy. So as you see in this front yard, you have the driveway, you have grass, so it's nice to like run around. Maybe you have pets, animals, your children. You guys want to just run around and play, you can do that too. First things first, before we show you the home, there's also 22 owned solar panels with a backup battery system. Pretty sick. I want to show you guys the downstairs. Downstairs right here, you have a half bath. This half bath is good if you're in the pool and you have guests and you want to use the bathroom, they can come right here. Right over here is a 1 bed, 1 bath. Here's the bath if you have someone renting in here. But look at this space, guys. You have a huge, it's like a studio. You could probably put a fridge here. You have a sink here. You could use this as a rental, or if not, you could use it as a gym. You could use it as a man cave, whatever you want, a theater. Shoot, if I had this, I'd use this as a gym. This is pretty sick. You have an AC, you have a fan, you have a closet. This is huge. Let's check out upstairs. So if you come up right here, this is the amazing pool. You have a nice jacuzzi, and the pool is really nice and clear and clean. And I actually swam in this pool, guys. It's really nice. I think it's like 9-10 feet deep. And then right over here, you have a nice outdoor shower for you to rinse off after you're in the pool. Pretty sick. So you have 2 stairs leading up to the home. This leads to the primary room, and this leads to the awesome balcony and the living room. This is like my favorite area right here. This balcony, you have like a nice countertop space, a wine fridge, a fan, and if you look over here, look, this is the money shot. You have insane views of Honolulu. You can see all the way to Ewa Beach. You can see Diamond Head, Kahala. You can even see the entire ocean, the entire Pacific Ocean. And then behind these trees, if you squint your eyes, you can see Coco Head. So you can see all the way from Coco Head to Diamond Head to Ewa Beach. Super sick. And some things I like about this home is the little details with like the lighting. If you look up here, we got a little lighting up here. So when you're chilling on this lanai at night, it's a really great vibe. It has a nice I don't know what to say. It has a nice vibe. The vibes are great. Let's check out inside. So you have double sliding doors in case you want to walk in from that door, or you like this door, take your pick. So first things first, here is the awesome living room. You have a lot of nice features here. This awesome, cool electric fireplace. I was like, what am I gonna call this? If you guys remember, I have the same fireplace in my place, which is pretty dope. So I like this fireplace. You can put a TV here, really nice setup. You have awesome window everywhere, sliding window doors. So you have a lot of room for natural lighting. So this area right here, living room, TV, fireplace, balcony, you can do so much entertaining here with your friends, family, whoever. Now, if you look over here, here's the kitchen. This is this awesome island. This is all the cards of the agents that visited the house that didn't put an offer. All of their clients are making a huge mistake, or maybe they can't afford this. I don't know. I'm not saying they're broke, but you know. Behind me, you have these nice cabinets, stainless steel appliances. You have a microwave push to open oven that's never been used. You have stainless steel dishwasher, also never been used. You have this nice sink, more windows. You have a nice view to wash dishes. Again, more lighting accents. I don't know what you could put here. Maybe cups, bowls, whatever. You have this thing. Whatever this is, I think. I don't know. Hot water. Yep, you can put hot water here onto a bowl, pan, pot, whatever. And you could heat up your hot water and make it super more hot, you know? Oven. So you got two ovens, one oven there, another oven there. And then in case you wanted to tell time and you didn't have a watch or phone, you have your awesome fridge to help you tell time. And then on top of that, this life-size clock can refrigerate your food as well. Pretty cool. And yeah, we got ice. There you go. The good kind of ice. All right, so if you guys remember, downstairs is 1 bedroom, 1.5 bath. Up here, we have 3 beds, 2 baths. So on my left, right here, is 1 bedroom. Really nice and spacious. You have an AC here, and you have a fan too if you don't want to use your AC. But you should probably use your AC because you have 22 ohm solar panels, which can really cut down on electric bills. Here you have your 2nd bedroom. Pretty cool. You could use this as like an office, you know, like you just sit here, do work, you know, tell time. Over here on the left, we have the laundry room, which is really nice where you can do laundry. And then you have more space back here for all your linens, storage. So that helps a lot too. And then we go right here. We have the 2nd bathroom. This is for all those bedrooms over there and also your guests too. Really nice shower. I really love the designs. Everything's so sleek and clean and modern, and this is cool too, you know. I love the floating shelves look with the LEDs on the bottom. This LED mirror, pretty cool. And then now you have the primary, which is super awesome. Very nice and spacious. Over here, you have the balcony where you can just wake up, look at the nice view of Diamond Head, look at your pool. You could literally jump into your pool from this balcony. Super awesome. Nice views. Really, really spacious. And then over here, you have your primary bathroom. Look at this. Super cool. Double vanities. You have, of course, the soaking tub and LEDs everywhere. Floating shelves, LEDs under. And then the cool shower right over here. I almost ate shit. Super cool. Glass walls. And then, of course, you can't have a primary bedroom without a huge walk-in closet. Look at this. Look how deep this is. You can put a bunch of clothes over here. You can put bags, storage over here, all kinds of stuff. So this is a really nice, beautiful primary bedroom. Well, there you have it, guys. This is 1974 Holly Cove Drive. This is a big, beautiful pool house. Again, it's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2,000 square feet interior on a 7,500 square foot lot. We are listed at $2.895 million. So if you're interested or you got clients interested, definitely reach out to me at info@jeremymateo.com, and hopefully we can work out a deal. Don't forget, again, there's also 22 owned solar panels. You got the killer view. You got the amazing deep pool, the jacuzzi. You have downstairs, which is like your ADU slash rental property slash man cave or gym or whatever you want. You have the 2-car garage, big driveway to fit like 6, 7, a bajillion cars. And then of course you have your security private gate. And of course, just living on this hill. It's pretty awesome. So thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.